Hi, I'm Bert with Frazer. Don't you hate it when you bring your vehicle in for service and you're not sure you left it in good hands? Frazer has several certified service centers across the country, but did you know that we also give you the power to choose who works on your vehicle, even in warranty situations? We understand that many customers have found local mechanics in their area that they have come to trust and rely on. Frazer is more than happy to work and build a relationship with them to assist you in keeping your truck working and in service. Being factory direct allows our customers to contact a live person anytime to troubleshoot things such as our simple electrical system. With a little guidance over the phone, we can determine what the problem is and send out parts, in most cases, the same day. We understand that getting your unit on the road as quickly as possible is the utmost priority. Frazer also offers free service and repair training on a monthly basis that not only teaches you an understanding of the Frazer systems, but also allows you to put a face to the name of the people you have come to know at Frazer through phone or email. Come see us anytime. Did I mention we're factory direct? To learn more, call us at 888-372-9371 or email us at info@frazerbilt.com or visit our website, frazerbilt.com.